You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words. Yes, I know there's a lot of confusion here because there are different pronunciations in English. British English and American English are different. So let's break them down. British English pronunciation: intrauterine, intrauterine, intrauterine. Okay, so that's how it's pronounced in the UK. Now in the US it's quite different. Let's hear it. American pronunciation: intrauterine, intrauterine. American English or intrauterine. British English. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.